Welcome to this short 5-minute meditation practice. My name is Brentan, and today we will be going through a short exercise that will keep our breathing really calm and even. Now, before we start this exercise, I think it's good practice for abdominal breathing in and out through your nose to be a regular part of your life. And so if you haven't already done our first meditation where we did and we practiced some of that abdominal breathing, head over there first before hopping into this one. For this one, find any position that's comfortable for you to be for the next few minutes. You can sit, you can lie down, you can even be walking. See if it's appropriate for you to close your eyes. And let there be an invitation to breathe light and low, in and out through your nose, deep into your abdomen. Let the breath be quiet. Let it be full, but not huge. This breathing exercise can help us develop some more focus and concentration. And what we'll do is we'll count a breath cycle and we'll add a retention on both the inhale and the exhale. So imagine that we're counting to a slow count of 4. I don't like to count out loud necessarily because it kind of can clutter the silence. So let's say that we'll breathe in for a silent count of 4, and then we'll hold for the same count. And we'll exhale for the same count and hold that. So here we go. Let's meet by breathing out through the nose. And when you're ready to breathe in through the nose for a count of 4. Hold at the top. Through the nose, gently release for another 4 counts. And hold at the bottom. Breathing in. Let it linger at the top. Breathing out. Linger at the bottom. Let's continue to go like this, each on our own. So if this count is too fast or too slow, you can adjust the count for what feels right for you. See if you can let this breathing go at a steady, slow pace. So no part of it is ever an emergency. And when you're ready to release your breath back into an organic abdominal breath, in our last few moments, blinking the eyes open, letting light enter, letting the eyes adjust. And keep that light, low abdominal breathing and enjoy this new focus and clarity for whatever you have going on next. Great job today. See you soon.